We used to be frightened and scared to try the things we don't really understand why. We laughed for a moment, then start to cry. We were crazy. Now that the end is already here, we reminisce about old yells and cheers, even if our last hurrays were never clear.
Ako po ay lubos na mababati sa lahat ng mga mag-aaral na nagsipagtapos. Dalangin ko po na makamit at matupad ninyo ang lahat ng inyong mga pangarap sa buhay. Ipakita ninyo ang mga taga-Valenzuela ay matalino at marangal sa pamamagitan ng patuloy ninyong pagsusumikap sa inyong pag-aaral. At tuluyan ninyong maipakita sa mundo ang inyong galing at talino sa anumang larangan. Gayon din po ang aking lubos na pagbati sa mga guro na walang sawang gumagabay sa ating mga anak sa paghubog sa kanilang mga pangarap. Ang ating mga guro ang tumatayong pangalawang magulang na siyang nagpapaunlad at tumutuklas sa mga kakayahan ng ating mga kabataan. Higit sa lahat, nais ko pong batiin kayong mga magulang na gumagabay, umaalalay at nagsusumikap upang mapag-aral ang inyong mga anak. Kung hindi dahil sa inyong pagsusumikap, ay hindi nila makakamtan ang tagumpay na ito. Totoo nga ang kasabihan na walang ibang pamana na maibibigay ang mga magulang sa kanyang anak na hindi mananakaw ng sinuman kung hindi ang kanyang edukasyon. Mabuhay kayong lahat at ipagpatuloy natin ang pagtutulong-tulong upang makalikha ng mga kabataan na magiging kaagapay natin sa ating mga buhay at sa ating bayan. Maraming salamat po.
But here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. But here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you, my friends, with only
another chance to enjoy that this day is not just an ordinary day to us, especially to our dear parents who really work hard for their children.
For sure, they're more overwhelmed and more excited looking at their son daughters wearing white caps and gowns.
And of course, our candidates for graduation who are having mixed emotions at this very moment. They will now reap the fruits of their hardships in high school.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome to the Valenzuela National High School 40th Commencement Exercises. Born as officers, President Rochelle Melissa, Vice President Zaril Abais, Secretary Melissa Ampong, Treasurer Russell Serrano, Auditor Jomar Alvarez, PRO Angeline Vidal, and Carmina Tria Marcelo. Business Managers Jacqueline May Masicampo and PJ Bagay.
Sergeant at Arms, Mariel Luis Rojas and Carlo Husayan. News, Jenny Rita Pereira with her escort, Daniel Pascual. And the class says, if you wish to reach the highest, begin at the lowest. And when you reach the highest, place your feet on the ground.